the car.
Go catch it. Oh.
Wait, you know that lady, Brent? She's annoying.
No, she's not annoying. She just... What's talking about?
Alright, you'll follow them where they go. You'll follow them. Follow the dog. Alright. Wait for the dog to go. It speeds fast.
Stop the car. Stop the car right there. Okay, wait until it moves. Go follow.
Go.
Wait, don't move. Stop. Move out the way. Get out the road. There's a car coming, I think.
Dang, she stopped so much. She's going to the other neighbors and talk.
Oh man.
What does she want?
She nothing. She's just like talking to people.
Come on, Joe. Let's go check her out. Come on, let's go check her out. Her booty.
Oh, you saw that, Brent?
Where'd the car go?